All right, it's January 25th. It's a Saturday. It's 9 a.m. We're going. I rented an office downtown Los Angeles, just left my house. I rented the office from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And today is going to be a very important day for all the real estate businesses that we have running right now. MartelTurnkey and RocketOffr, which is our new wholesaling business. So today from 9 a.m. to about 3 or 4, MartelTurnkey is going to have its quarterly meeting for last quarter, and then also a combination of its annual meeting. So what our goals are for 2020 and how we're going to accomplish those goals. And then after that meeting, RocketOffr, the new wholesaling company, is going to come to the office around 3 or 4, and then we're going to go as long as we need to kind of talk about how we can make RocketOffr a success and also integrate it with MartelTurnkey. The party's here. With the stuff that Aiton's buying now, we used to, because we're like, oh, it's a duplex, we'll figure it out. But now it's like, no, it doesn't really make sense. And there's so much money that we have is sitting in these seller finance stupid things.
Yeah.
We don't even need to do that right now.
Yeah, no, we don't need to.
Yeah.
All right, part 1 of the day is complete. We just finished the MartelTurnkey meeting from 9 a.m. till I think 3 o'clock now. We have the other company, RocketOffr, the wholesaling company, coming, and we're gonna have another meeting with them. It's hopefully gonna be very short, not go all the way till 10 o'clock, but we don't know, we'll see what happens. Just finished changing. Everybody's gonna go finish changing. We actually are gonna redo on our website the team page, which has everybody's headshot. So everybody's gonna put it on a nice shirt. We're gonna use this wall. And in a couple months, you're gonna see a new team page with these new photos that we're about to take right now. RocketOffr team is here now. Hayato Hori, Evan Hessler. We're gonna be here till 2 in the morning talking about real estate and what we're gonna do with the wholesaling business.
Thank God, I thought we were gonna stay here till 6. So.
Pretty much this is the first time we're ever doing this with RocketOffr, so we're gonna take the agenda of MartelTurnkey and what we go through and then do the same thing with RocketOffr. And then every quarter we'll do the same thing with all the companies.
Export the contact, get the ID, map it. Exactly.
And so how many things do you think we can do? What would be a good goal per month?
Well, my personal one from the beginning was 3 per month.
3 per month?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's going to be something that's going to ramp up too. For the first month, we're not going to actually...
We might have to revisit it in the end of the quarter and then figure out, hey, we hit 3, but more. Or if we, if we're struggling to hit 3, then we think, okay, well, what's a better way to actually...
Yeah, the year might be too far to try to even look ahead. 1 year from now, it could be scaled up a ton or not at all.
Yeah. So I think 3 a month for now is personally, I think it's a pretty attainable goal.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it's attainable. But we can always revisit it later.
Yeah, it can be something we can just start off with.
Right. Run your numbers.
Oh yeah,
on all this stuff would be useful.
Oh, you can put it up there.
Want to do it right now?
Yeah.
Just move, Eric.
Woo!
The payable, because that's...
All right. It's 6 o'clock. I'm dead. We're almost done though. Probably 30 more minutes. Gonna show them how MartelTurnkey runs its numbers for acquisitions so that they can learn how to do it when they're running their numbers on the wholesale deals that they get. Day's finally done. We're going back to the cars now. It's been a long day. All right, we just got back home. It's 8 o'clock right now. We started the day at 7 a.m. No, we didn't. Nope, no, we didn't. All right, we're back home now. It's 8 p.m. We started our day at 8 a.m., so it's been a 12-hour day. Tons of meetings today with both teams, both MartelTurnkey and also RocketOffr. It was great. Normally when we're going through these annual meetings or quarterly meetings, first we start off with reviewing past goals and then reviewing future goals, making sure everybody's aligned with the goals of the company. Then we'll start with marketing, sales, acquisitions, go through each of those different categories in the business and make sure everybody's on board, if there's anything that we can automate, if there's any new people that we can bring in to help make those things grow. And we also try to find different pain points within the company. So are we not buying enough? Are we not selling enough? Are we not buying enough, which is causing us to not sell enough and to meet our goals, right? So it's great to get everybody together, especially because everybody in the business works from home. So every year and every quarter, we like to bring everybody into one central location where everybody can have a great conversation and talk about what's been going on, what's been going well, what hasn't been going well, and how we can make things better for the future. So thanks so much for watching the video today. I hope that you got some great value out of it. Please make sure to go like the video, subscribe. There's gonna be a ton of more content coming down the line about all the different markets we're investing in. And with a new business, we're gonna have some more content coming out about wholesaling real estate.